guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title, today's video was going to be a Pretty Little Thing haul, and I didn't get that many items from Pretty Little Things, but I just got like a few things because I was like, oh, I could use like a few more things. So let's get right into it. So the first item from Pretty Little Things that I got was this Fanny Pack. I believe that's what this is. I actually ended up getting two separate packages, and it gives you, you know, I had that upside down the whole time. It gives you the little, on the package, it gives you the little message stating why, pretty much why you got your items in two packages. But they literally just came like maybe a day or two apart. It wasn't that big of a deal. So I have not opened this yet. So let's get into that. The very first item, I'm gonna read it to you. The very first item that I got was, the product name is Black Chevron Quilted Bum. So for those of you who are like, what the hell is a bum? A bum bag. Bum bag is the same thing as a fanny pack. It's all the same. So I really wanted a bum bag that kind of resembled the Gucci fanny pack. Plus I really like the chevron quilted, yeah, you know, I like the chevron print and the quilted materials. So, well, this is cute. So it came in this little white cover, and this is what it looks like. So all Pretty Little Things items, of course, come with a tag on it. And of course it says, once this label has been removed, you can no longer return this item. So if you're gonna return it, don't remove this tag. So this one, this is what it looks like. Super cute, right? Look at that. And here's the back. So it has two little hooks. Now I'm assuming the strap is inside, and you know it has it's gold, the zipper. So I'm gonna open it and show you guys the inside. So it doesn't come with the strap on it already. This is the strap here. If you want to wear this as like a fanny pack, you can, and then if you wanted to wear it, I mean, you can even go as far as like wearing it as a clutch, you know, because like it's really small. Like without the strap, that's really not an issue, you know. So here's the strap. It has gold detailing here, as you can see, and it's literally like a belt. So I guess that's why they decided to call it a bum bag. And here is what the inside of that looks like, of the fanny pack. So it has, you know, of course, the paper in there. That's what the inside looks like. There's like a little pocket on the inside too, if you can see it, where you can put like your credit cards, you know, your ID and everything like that. But I really just wanted a quilted bum bag, so I decided to get it. The next item I have is a t-shirt. I'm gonna read the description. Okay, so this is the Plus Pretty Little Thing white slogan t-shirt. And it was only $7.50. Here we go. See, it has, you know, just Pretty Little Thing on it on the front, and this is the back. This is a pretty big t-shirt, and I got it bigger than normal because I wanted to wear it like oversized. So you know, I just wanted like a slogan t-shirt, something that's very simple, not too much. So the next item I have is plush orange striped jersey tie waist is the name of it. This item costs $14, so it's really cute. It's like $14, okay. So this is what it looks like. And I don't own a lot of orange, so this is kind of, you know, this is the inside and this is the back. So it looks like this, and it has, you know, it's long sleeve. And it has a tie waist. So you can tie this around your waist. And I like this because it's big enough to the point where if I wanted to wear it with like a spaghetti strap, I can on the inside, and then, you know, just have it like really loose. I can have it off the shoulder, or it could just be like a super deep V cut. And I also like it because I can decide to just not wear it with a spaghetti strap. And just, you know, wear it as the shirt, and then, you know, wear it just like that. And I was like, oh, this is perfect. So I really do like this. Like, this is such a beautiful color. Like, it is just, it's just gorgeous. Like, I just love it. Okay. And the last item I got was in yellow oversized t-shirt dress. Overdressed slogan yellow oversized t-shirt, and it was only $7.50. So this is another slogan tee. I love yellow. I think I look so good in yellow. I think like, everybody just looks so good in yellow. Like, yellow just brings out everybody's skin, so I wanted to get something yellow. It literally says overdressed on it. And here's the back. And I ripped the tag off of this because I was trying it on. So it's gone. It's definitely not going back. I really like this, and what made me buy this was because I was watching Basketball Wives, and I saw Malaysia have this on, and I was like, I know exactly where she got that from. And she looked super cute in it, and I feel like the way she wore it, she dressed it up. And I'm like, it's super cute. You can dress this up or down. You know, I was thinking about wearing this with a pair of jeans, a fanny pack, and these like color block Vans that I got that has yellow on it. And I'm like, you can do it that way, or you can dress it up and wear it with, like, you can like tuck it in, wear it with the skirt, you know, and some heels. So that's why I really liked it. I was like, oh, this is so versatile. I bought this. Pretty Little Things was doing a 50% off sale, and it wasn't plastered like on their website. You had to be an email subscriber in order. That is it, guys.